What if I told you that knowing just one simple fact could be the difference between life and death? Today, we're diving into the most shocking, life-saving facts that everyone should know, but most people don't. These aren't your typical safety tips. These are the hidden secrets that could literally save your life or someone you love. From emergency situations to natural disasters, from wilderness survival to everyday dangers lurking around us, we're counting down the top 20 most incredible facts that could keep you alive. So buckle up, because what you're about to learn might just be the most important 10 minutes of your day. Number 20, your cell phone can call 911 even without service. Even if you have no bars of signal, zero battery life, or no active service plan, your phone can still reach emergency services. When you dial 911, your phone will bounce the signal off any available tower, including military and first responder towers not on your network. This works because of special emergency protocols built into cellular systems. Keep trying to call even in dead zones. It might just work when you need it most. Number 19, the 2-hour rule could save you from food poisoning. Refrigerate any perishable food or leftovers within 2 hours of cooking or purchase. Keep your refrigerator at 40 degrees Fahrenheit 4.4 degrees Celsius and your freezer at 0 degrees Fahrenheit minus 18 degrees Celsius. Food poisoning kills thousands yearly, but this simple rule prevents dangerous bacterial growth. In hot weather above 90 degrees Fahrenheit, this window shrinks to just 1 hour. Don't risk it. When in doubt, throw it out. Number 18, elevator entrapment. Stay back and stay calm. If stuck in an elevator, never try to force doors open or climb out. Press the alarm button and move to the rear of the elevator facing forward. Don't jump up and down. This can affect the stabilizer system and make rescue more difficult. Most elevator emergencies are resolved within 30 minutes, and modern elevators have multiple safety systems to prevent falling. Number 17, dehydration warning signs you must know. Severe dehydration can cause organ failure and shock. Warning signs include dark amber urine, confusion, dizziness, rapid heartbeat, and sunken eyes. If you're not urinating or experiencing confusion, get to an emergency room immediately. In survival situations, you can only survive 3 days without water, but severe dehydration can kill in hours under extreme conditions. Number 16, cotton kills in cold weather. There's a survival saying, cotton kills. When cotton gets wet, it retains moisture and clings to your body, dramatically speeding up hypothermia. You lose heat 20 times faster when wet versus dry. Always choose wool or synthetic materials for cold weather. Wool keeps you warm even when wet. This single fabric choice could save your life in a survival situation. Number 15, heat stroke prevention. Know the signs. Heat stroke occurs when your core temperature reaches 104 degrees Fahrenheit or higher. Early signs include heavy sweating, then confusion, rapid breathing, and racing heartbeat. Heat exhaustion often precedes heat stroke with cool, moist skin and goosebumps, even in heat. Wear loose, lightweight clothing and stay hydrated. Heat-related illness kills more people annually than hurricanes, tornadoes, floods, and lightning combined. Number 14, never remove objects from puncture wounds. If someone has a knife, stick, or any object stuck in their body, never pull it out. That object might be the only thing preventing them from bleeding out internally. Only medical professionals should remove embedded objects. Apply pressure around the wound, not on the object itself, and get emergency help immediately. This applies to everything from kitchen accidents to car crashes. Number 13, anaphylaxis, the 15-minute rule. Severe allergic reactions can kill within 15 minutes. If someone has difficulty breathing, swelling of tongue or throat, or rapid pulse after exposure to an allergen, inject epinephrine immediately. Don't wait to see if symptoms improve. Anaphylaxis can be biphasic, meaning it can return hours later even after seeming to resolve. Always carry an EpiPen if you're at risk. Number 12, wilderness survival, the rule of threes. Remember the survival rule of threes: 3 minutes without air, 3 days without water, 3 weeks without food. If lost in the wilderness, stay put and signal for help using 3 of anything: whistle blasts, mirror flashes, or rock piles. Follow waterways if you must move, as they often lead to civilization. Your biggest enemy is panic, not the wilderness itself. Number 11, rip current escape, swim parallel, not back. Rip currents kill about 100 Americans annually and are stronger than Olympic swimmers at up to 8 feet per second. If caught in one, don't fight it directly, you'll exhaust yourself and drown. Instead, float on your back to conserve energy, then swim parallel to the shore until you escape the current, which is usually less than 80 feet wide. Only then swim back to shore at an angle. Number 10. Tornado safety. Avoid the death triangle. In tornadoes, never shelter under highway overpasses. They create a deadly wind tunnel effect. Go to the lowest floor, in an interior room away from windows. Stay away from corners as they attract debris. If driving, abandon your car and lie flat in a low ditch covering your head. Mobile homes offer no protection. Always evacuate to a sturdy building. Number 9. Earthquake drop, cover, hold on. During earthquakes, don't run outside or stand in doorways. Drop to hands and knees, take cover under a sturdy desk, and hold on. If no desk is available, cover your head and neck with your arms against an interior wall. Most earthquake injuries occur when people try to move during shaking or are hit by falling objects when entering or exiting buildings. Number 8. Snake bite first aid. Don't suck the venom. If bitten by a snake, get to a hospital immediately. Time is critical for anti-venom administration. Clean the wound with soap and water. Remove jewelry before swelling occurs, and keep the victim calm. Never cut the wound, apply ice, or try to suck out venom. If possible, take a photo of the snake from a safe distance to help medical staff identify the species. Number 7. Carbon monoxide is the silent killer. Carbon monoxide kills over 400 Americans annually and sends 100,000 to emergency rooms. This odorless, colorless gas causes flu-like symptoms but without fever. The scary part? People sleeping or under the influence can die before showing any symptoms. Install CO detectors near every sleeping area and check batteries twice yearly. A fishy smell in your house could indicate an electrical fire producing CO. Number 6. Drowning is silent, not what movies show you. Real drowning is silent because no air can pass through to make noise. Look for someone who suddenly goes quiet, arms at their sides pressing down, and head tilted back with mouth open. In cold water, you have only 2 minutes before cold shock can kill you, then 15 to 30 minutes before incapacitation. The diving reflex in water below 70 degrees Fahrenheit can extend survival time by slowing heart rate and preserving oxygen for vital organs. Number 5. The FAST test can save stroke victims. Remember FAST. Face drooping, arm weakness, speech difficulty, time to call 911. On average, 1.9 million brain cells die every minute a stroke goes untreated. Early treatment means the difference between full recovery and permanent disability. The newer version is BFAST, adding balance and eyes vision problems. Speed of response determines whether someone walks away or needs lifelong care. Number 4. Choking is silent, not what you think. If someone is coughing, they're not actually choking. Real choking is silent because no air can pass through. Look for someone who suddenly goes quiet and points to their neck. For conscious choking victims, try 5 back blows between shoulder blades first, then 5 abdominal thrusts, Heimlich maneuver. Nearly 900 people choke to death annually in situations where proper first aid could have saved them. Number 3. Hypothermia happens above freezing. You can develop hypothermia even in temperatures above 40 degrees Fahrenheit if you're wet, exhausted, or exposed to wind. Early signs include uncontrollable shivering, then numbness, confusion, and loss of coordination. The key is staying dry and layered. If someone stops shivering but seems confused, they're in severe hypothermia. Get help immediately. More people die from hypothermia than freezing to death. Number 2. Tourniquets save lives when applied correctly. For severe bleeding on arms or legs, a properly applied tourniquet can prevent death from blood loss. Place it 2 to 3 inches above the wound, closest to the heart, never directly on joints. Tighten until bleeding stops completely, then mark the time with T on a person's forehead. This buys crucial time for medical help. Tourniquets can stay on safely for up to 2 hours. Bystanders using proper bleeding control save thousands of lives annually. Number 1. Your car's headrest can break windows in emergencies. In emergencies, most car headrests are removable and can shatter tempered glass windows. Aim for the bottom corners of side windows. These are the weakest points. However, spring-loaded escape tools are more reliable and should be stored in easily accessible locations like sun visors. Remember, laminated windshields won't break with standard tools, but side and rear windows usually will. In water emergencies, you have only 30 to 120 seconds before the car is completely submerged. Incredible! Those 20 facts could literally save lives, including yours. But here's the thing, this information is only powerful if it reaches the people who need it. So please hit that like button if this video taught you something new, drop a comment telling me which fact shocked you the most, and share this with your friend and family. Your share could literally save someone's life. And if you want more life-changing content like this, make sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you never miss our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching and taking the time to learn these potentially life-saving facts. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.